Alright guys, just going to do a review on the pop-up pit. It's a fire pit from Fireside Outdoor. Got it off BCF for $99 when it was on sale. Normally it sells for about $149, and then on top of that you can buy some accessories like a grill top or a few other things. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. Just an instruction booklet. Comes in a nice carry bag, you can pack it away easily. It's got a shoulder strap as well, nice and easy to carry around. It's not very heavy, I think it's about 4 kilos from memory. A couple of Velcro straps that hold it all together. Got the fire pit mesh. The framework. And also 4 side walls. So we've got the frame. Just open it up like so. 4 walls. Just line the holes up. They've got nice big holes cut out of them. So that's the frame pretty much set up. Then the fire pit mesh. Now when they're new, it just takes a bit of stretching. So that's it, that's how to put the assembly together. The mesh is incredibly strong. A few of the guys in the OTT crew have brought these to camp, so I've tested them out before. Really impressed with them. The fire pit measurements are 620 square, and it sits off the ground to the base about 300, and it's 400 in height overall. Now, as I said, you can buy some accessories, a grill top to go on top of it. You can buy a fire mat to go underneath to stop the grass underneath burning. I've got a fire mat from home, so I didn't need to buy another one. But basically, you just put the fire mat down, put the fire pit on top of it, and that will protect the grass from underneath. Allows, because of the mesh, you get really good airflow through it, so you get a really good fire. We'll get this one set up tonight, and we'll show you the results. That's it guys, the fire pit. I've had it on now for probably an hour or so. We're cooking dinner. I've got one of my hot plates from the other setup. So tonight we're doing hamburgers. Absolutely enjoying and loving the fire pit. It's a nice easy setup. I'd recommend it to anybody. As I said, I've seen it before at the OTT crew camps. We've had 2 or 3 lined up in a row. If you're after a good fire pit, lightweight, can easily be assembled, takes up no space in your setup. To disassemble it, you can just move your sidewalls a little bit. There's plenty of play with them. And then work your mesh up the post.
Then it's just a matter of backing your bag. All ready for the next camp. As far as the fire pit goes, absolutely recommend you go out and buy one. As I said, they're lightweight. From memory, they're about 4 kilos. Packs down really easily. Gets really good airflow underneath it from the mesh, which gives you a really good fire. $99 when they're on sale at BCF. I don't think you can beat it. Anyway guys, if you've got any questions, reach out to me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers guys, travel safely.